Hey guys, I'm super duper excited because I just played with 23 different lip colors and oh my god, I'm feeling so happy. Before even watching my video, I just want to give you girls an Shruti update.
नमस्कार, एलोवेरा के घने बादल छाए हुए हैं। इन बादलों को हटाइए और जल्दी से कर दीजिए सब्सक्राइब।
So Faces Canada recently launched 23 different shades of their matte lip crayons and I have all 23 shades. So first of all, Jai Ho Shruti Maiya ki. So I'm going to share all the swatches and my review about the formulation and everything. So let's get started. In the whole range, they have two different finishes. The first one is Starry Matte Lip Crayons and the second one is just Matte Lip Crayons. Now when you apply that, they are really creamy and buttery and they glide onto your lips very easily. So when they glide onto your lips, they look like that they are a little shiny. But within like 1 or 2 minutes, they dry very completely matte. Just like this lipstick, I have I think this shade right here. Okay. It's a brunette number 20 which I am wearing, which is true matte shade, but when you apply them they are creamy, so they are going to reflect like a little bit, but don't get intimidated by that because after just like 1 or 2 minutes they are going to be completely matte. When I swatched them on my hand in artificial light, there was like a big light just in front of when I was swatching them, so they might appear a little creamy on side in the video, but in real life they are true matte lip crayons. Just like this one, you can see how matte it is. And the one fact I love about all these colors are they are hell pigmented, so they go on in just one swipe, they go on so easily. Each and every lip crayon comes with a free sharpener, so you don't have to buy a separate sharpener with them as well. The Starry Finish lipsticks have some glitter in it, and the glitter is a little small chunk of glitter, not like a sheen or shimmer kind of glitter. So when you apply it, it's matte, but it has a little bit amount of glitter in it. Not something very fancy, but at the same time, if you like glitter and that bling in your lip color, you will definitely love them. The packaging is just like a crayon, very easy, very sleek, but you need to make sure you are closing it tightly. So when you are keeping it in your purse, it's not, the lid is not coming off. So you need to make sure you are closing it tightly like this. For shade range, they have good shades of orange, red, pink and maroon shade, brown shade and nude shades. But I think there is one color particularly which I wanted to see in them was like purple. There are only 1 or 2 of purple in the whole collection, but I wanted like very dark, deep and bright purples as well. Now all the shades are more of warm in tone, so they're gonna be perfect for Indian skin tone. They don't have too much coolness going on, which look ashier on me and on most of the Indian skin tone. So that's why the good thing is you can pick and try any of the shade and it is going to look amazing on you because of the undertone is warm. I have my top 5 shades. The first one is brunette 20, the second one is wrapped up 09, and then I have really rust 07 and midnight rose number 12. And in last I have sugar coated 05. I have a lot of lipstick reviews on my channel, and if you guys had already watched them, you guys know that one thing which I absolutely must need in a lipstick product is they need to stay on the lower lip, center of my lower lip, because most of this lipstick I feel like they just slip on and it doesn't stick to the center of my lower lip. But these lip crayons, they does stick to the center of my lower lip. And one more thing, I was really happy that the shape of these lipsticks make them so easy to apply the lipstick to the outer corner of your lips. Now when you apply a lipstick with a bullet, somehow I feel like I'm not able to see where I'm applying the lipstick because this lipstick is very pointy, I will say. Yeah, it's very narrow, so it's very easier to apply to the outer corners of your lips, as well as you can line your lips with this crayon as well. There are two shades which I felt like they were a little streaky on me. The first one is Starry Matte Lip Crayon Sugar Coated 05 and Starry Matte Lip Crayon Lasting Kiss 06. Both of these colors were a little lighter for what I look for in a lip color, and they were a little streaky as well. But other than that, all the lip crayons were very creamy and very smooth. They do last on me for good 8 to 9 hours, but I haven't tried it for more than 8 to 9 hours. But I gave one for testing purpose to my sister-in-law, and she doesn't wear makeup at all. So she just applied the lipstick and she went to home, and then she realized at night that she is still wearing lipstick, and she is like, she eat the lipstick in just 1 or 2 hours. So no lipstick actually stays on her lips, and this was the one. She said that in night when I was looking in the mirror, I saw that I am wearing lipstick, and I was like, where this lipstick came from? So yeah, it did last on her as well for good 8 to 9 hours. They retail for 799 rupees or 800 rupees. I don't remember the exact price, but you can definitely get them from Nykaa.com or from Amazon.com on 20 or 30% sale. Like Nykaa.com has like sale going on every time, so you can definitely get them on a cheaper price as well. And if you want to buy any of these lipsticks, check out the description box because direct link is there, so you can go forward and buy your favorite shade. If you follow me on Instagram, I do post a lot of pictures in my favorite red lipstick, which is from a brand called Victoria. Unfortunately, that brand is not easily available in India, so I'm not able to use that lipstick in my videos. But I found a dupe of that lipstick in this collection, and that dupe is Midnight Rose number 12. It is dead on dupe, and it's even more better than the Victoria one, because after like 8 or 9 hours, Victoria lipsticks are like little uncomfortable on your lips, and they are little too matte. But this one is, they are matte, but they doesn't feel like they are tugging your lips, which is a great feeling. One more thing I want to share, it's practically not possible for me to consume all the 23 lip crayons, so I'm giving away 5 to you guys. So all you have to do is just comment below and let me know which was your favorite shade. Some of these lip crayons I'm gonna gift it to my cousins, some I will keep, and 5 I'm going to give away. Now the crayons which I am giving you, I have swatched them on my hands, but I have not swatched it on my lips. I'm telling you because of hygiene reason, but still I wanted to do this giveaway. I know they are not brand new, but they are still brand new. But I wanted to give you, I'm sharing it with my cousins and they are okay with it. So I thought you guys are my internet cousins and you guys are going to be okay with it. Yeah, right? So that's why I'm throwing this giveaway. And best of luck to all of you. Bye bye.